This strategy is about how designers can find inspiration from the past and from nature. At TED, we believe that what we have already achieved, and what nature provides, may offer solutions. Designers have always looked to the past for inspiration, but just think what might happen if we did a careful investigation of textile practices and habits from history, to gain some new techniques and methods for sustainable design. By studying historic garments, we can learn methods for extending the life of a garment through alteration and adaptation. Studying traditional textile craft techniques, like quilting, can reveal innovative methods for material efficiency and reuse. We can also consider using local materials that are part of our own culture and environmental heritage, such as flax or hemp from Europe, or bark cloth from Asia. Nature also offers us models for inspiration. Whereas the industrial model of production and disposal has been based on what we can extract from the natural world, a more sustainable approach asks us to consider what we can learn from nature and how we can cultivate it to naturally provide solutions for us. The hook and eye technology of Velcro was invented by studying how burrs from plants get attached to animal fur, and spider silk has inspired the development of Kevlar, the world's strongest fibre. An emerging area of research is synthetic biology, where plants are genetically controlled to produce specific functions for us. Some designers and scientists are beginning to investigate if nature could be genetically altered to manufacture textiles for us in the future. This strategy encourages us to be aware of both nature's intelligence and the human intelligence from past cultures and traditions, then apply this knowledge to develop a more sustainable system.